Tom's Car Wash. Hello, Hector. Are you having fun flying today? Uh-oh, Hector. That cloud doesn't look good. Hector, look out! Oh no, Hector. You're so dirty. And you sound sick, too. You need to fly to Tom's Car Wash right away. Wow, guys, that pizza looks great. What kind is it? Pepperoni? Well, sorry to interrupt your lunch, but Hector the helicopter needs your help. Here comes Hector now. What's the plan, Tom? How will you get that black soot off Hector? Good idea. Let's see how much of that dirt we can brush off. Wow, that's a lot of dirt. What's next, Tom? Ah, the jets with soap bubbles. That will wash Hector squeaky clean. Hector, you look much better. Oh, but you're still coughing. Tom, Hector is still coughing. I think he breathed in some of the dust. Do you have any ideas? Wow, a steam inhaler. That will make Hector's lungs feel better. Okay, Hector, get ready to breathe deep. That's one breath, 2 breaths, 3 breaths. Well done, Hector. So, Hector, how do you feel? That's good. Coughing is no fun. Say, baby Tom, you're coughing too. Do you need the inhaler as well? Baby Tom, how much of that pizza have you eaten? Well, let's get back to Hector. I wonder how he's doing. Now, you just need to rinse and dry off. You like the dryer, don't you? It's almost like flying. Go, Hector, go! Before you go, let's polish your windshield. Now you can see those dirty clouds better and dodge them. Goodbye, Hector. Fly safely now. Great work, Tom. Now you can finish your pizza. Oh no, baby Tom. Did you eat all of the pizza while Tom was gone? Oh, baby Tom. Looks like it's the end of another mission for Super Truck. Hey, Super Truck. Where have you been? You're covered in, well, it looks like slime and some sort of sparkly dust. You've been to the moon? Cool. Are you going to transform back into a truck now? Well, you might feel a bit more comfortable without the rocket disguise, but you're still covered in slime and stardust. You'd better go get cleaned at Tom's car wash. But we mustn't let him know how you got so dirty, or he might figure out that you're a super truck. It's okay. The coast is clear. Hi there, guys. Carl would like you to give him a good wash. What kind of dirt is it? Well, Carl went to a party. He's not sure how he got dirty exactly. It's like alien slime. Oh, you are funny, baby Tom. So you can help? Phew, that was close. What are you going to do first, guys? You're right. We need to get rid of that sticky stuff first. How about using the rolling pins, Tom? Brace yourself, Carl. This could be a bit uncomfortable. Well, it almost worked, but it's going to take a bit more to remove the rest of the slime. What's that, Carl? The slime has a funny smell? Don't worry, shower gel will get rid of that. Time to wash away all those bubbles. Well, the slime is gone, but you're still covered in space dust. What? You think they're actually metal particles? Baby Tom, your dad's going to give you a magnetic hand for removing the particles. Okay, baby Tom, time to get to work. Whoa, that's quite a show you guys are putting on there. Well, wherever those sparkles came from, that magnetic hand worked really well. Good idea, baby Tom. Some polish will feel nice after all that scratchy metal. What? You think Carl's been to space and that's where he got dirty? Your dad's right. That's not possible. Carl would have to be some kind of superhero. Okay, guys, Carl's got to go now. Thanks for everything. Hey guys, follow us in our big adventures by clicking more videos. Download our app to play with your favorite friends. Thanks for riding with us. Hope you liked our video. Click here to subscribe and join the Car City family. See you on the road.